Hey guys, so this is another um, simple project, nothing fancy. I'm not sure if you watched the other video prior where I had the owl flapping the Lego owl flapping its wings. So this is just a Lego conveyor using the same source I used with the previous video with the Lego owl. This is a cell phone charger or cell phone battery pack that you can get at Walmart for like $5, I believe. It puts out 5 volts, and it powers the Lego motor, which I spliced the wires to. So that motor usually runs at 9 volts. You can run it up to 12 volts, and at the minimum you can run it at 5 volts. So I have the Lego motor in there inside the conveyor, and I have the chain that goes around. So this is the motor gear, and it runs off a chain to drive the in gear for the conveyor. So this is a very quick and simple project. This is not like controlled by Arduino microcontroller or anything like that. I'm just using a simple power source for portability, so I can walk around and it runs for. And you can see, you can see the battery charge is only at 76%, and I haven't done like how long it'll run off of this with a full charge, but I assume it would run for a couple hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours, I believe. But that's just a guesstimate, probably longer. But this is, like I said, this is a simple, quick video of a Lego conveyor being powered with a 5 volt battery pack. So that's it, guys. Please click like, subscribe, drop a comment if you want on my YouTube page. I'm not making any money. This is just kind of just tutorials. If someone was looking to do similar projects, this is a good video just to reference, just to get you started. So that's it, guys, and have a nice day.